Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, okay, let's see. Tell me a little bit more. Yeah, something could be going on with this person's money. Because I had the 6 of Pentacles reversed, the 8 of Pentacles reversed, now the 10 of Pentacles reversed. Somebody's going through something when it comes to their finances. Look, even the 9 of Pentacles reversed. Something's going on with someone's money. And it's like they're not content with their finances. Yeah, their financial stability. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries or a controlling mother figure in their life. Could possibly be. Or a controlling person in their life. And this person, I feel like they're trying to cut them off. They're trying to cut them off, okay? So, yeah, see, with the sun here, it's like they want happiness with you, but this could be someone could have a child with someone else. It could be you or someone else, but I feel like this is another energy here they're trying to get away from. So they could have a child or children with someone else, or they could be the child and this is their mother, right? Or some type of mother figure in their life. Oh, yeah. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But it's like this person, they love you. They want to be with you. But it's their stubbornness is what's, holding them back. Because, see, they're trying not to be frustrated, but they are. Everything is jumping on this emperor, right? And it's like, I'm seeing 9 and 10, yeah, they were going through karmic lessons, and the lesson is complete. It's like they're wanting to come towards you, but see, they're still not opening up. This person has a hard time talking to you, and they're going to listen to their intuition, but right now, yeah, see, somebody's taking a financial loss. And I feel like they're upset because they feel like they could have lost you as well. And even though, yes, they want to move forward with you, they feel like you're going to let them go. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, see, this person, I'm telling you, they want a victory with you. There's somebody else here. You see what I'm saying? I have 2 queens stacked on top of each other. There's somebody else here in the picture, and this is the problem. And the thing is, they know that they hurt you. Didn't I see what I'm saying? I'm telling you, there's somebody else in this picture, and that is a problem. It's either the mother of their child, it could be their mother or some type of mother figure in their life. I'm telling you, and this is the problem. And see, here you are, the Queen of Pentacles. It's like they know you're focusing on you, you're healing, you're moving on without them. You are. Hold on, I'm scared. See, look, even the king, see, they're dragging their feet. This person's dragging their feet. See, they're not, I'm telling you, they're not talking to you. You're not hearing from this person. Or I would say this, if they did reach out to you, they're not opening up to you about what's going on. But I feel like they're not talking to you because, see, they're trying to move on by getting out of some type of family situation. Yep, see, they're trying to end things. I'm telling you, there's a breakup or ending of a commitment. Yep, and that's what's needed in order for things to improve. Look at the Hierophant on the High Priestess. All right, so I'm definitely talking to a twin here. This is definitely a twin flame situation. For some of you soulmates, definitely, don't just disregard it. But this is twin flame connection. So somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, and I'm seeing that they're coming towards you, they're on the right path. They're just taking their time because they feel like, you're not going to want to build with them anymore. They did leave you out in the cold, but they want to fix it. See, they're going to give you an offer. It is a small offer. They may even say, can we be friends? Even though you're like, hell no, I don't want to be friends. But it's like you can't expect them to just come back and immediately jump into a relationship. You don't trust them. So it's like, if you want to give them a chance, that's your business. You can, but they got to go slow. You have to go slow, and they are going to go slow with you. See? Because they want this new beginning with you. They want to show you, I've changed. I'm not playing around with you anymore. See, this person's in their head because they lost you. This is what they're saying to themselves. He or she's not going to give me another chance. Because, see, they know you're the person that they're supposed to have a future with, a family with. But because of a family situation or somebody from the past, they're like, okay, things aren't going to improve with me and Capricorn or me and Crosswatcher. But at the end of the day, I'm telling you, they're going to come and tell you the truth. They just don't know how. They don't know, how to approach you, when to approach you. They don't have a peace of mind with their money. So I feel like while they're trying to get that under control, this person watches you. They keep close tabs on you. Because, see, yeah, they're trying to hold on to you, but they're trying to wait for something to come through for them financially speaking first. Didn't I tell you something's going on with their financial stability? They can't give you an offer just yet.
Okay, yeah, they wanted, the way that came out, they want to give you an offer, but at the same time, they were being really immature, how they, you know, treated you and handled the situation. The seeds they planted with you, they want them to grow, and so that's why they're saying, I have to move fast, because I want to balance things out with Capricorn. Look, I want to give Capricorn the offer that he or she deserves, but before I can, I have to put an end to this other situation that I'm in. I told you. Somebody's dealing with a Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But they're saying, let me go through this transformation. I'm coming back in. I'm going to give you the offer that you deserve. But first, I have to end that situation or to have balance. See what I'm saying? I told you. I have to end and get out of this third party situation in order to have balance in my life and with you. Justice. See, somebody could be dealing with the Libra. The way that came out, somebody could be trying to get out of a contract or get out of something legal with this third party situation, because they're not out of it yet. This would be them wanting to tell you the truth, but they're hesitating. See, they're stuck trying to make a decision when to come towards you, because see, right now it's like they made a decision. 11-11. I told you, you're their person. You're the person that they want to be with. You're the person they want to have a happy home with. They do not want you to walk away, Capricorn. But see, there's no balance right now with their money. And the thing is, they're saying, I gotta get out of this toxic situation. Capricorn, you could be dealing with another Capricorn, but they're saying, until I get out of it, I'm not gonna have a new beginning with you. And see, right now, they don't have the strength to come towards you because of this, see, this third party situation. They're gonna get out, but they broke your heart. They did. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. So they're trying to figure, okay, what should I do? What should I say? I got to make a judgment call here, you know, because I've led Capricorn on for far too long. I've lied. And because of that, I feel like if I give them any offer, he or she is going to turn me down. Tell me more. Yeah, even the way the Queen of Swords came out. It's like on one hand, they're saying they know you want to hear from them. You deserve the truth. You deserve an explanation, but they know you're going to come off cold to them because you're tired of the games, you know, and they also feel like you're going to shut them down. See, they fear they're not going to be able to turn things around with you, but they're tired of juggling because, see, things weren't, it wasn't improving. They're going to have to make up their mind. Tell me more. Yeah, and they will. They're going to get out of their head, but right now they're still not telling you. There's little to no communication, you know, and they're frustrated and they're feeling stuck. Even the way the King of Pentacles came out, it's like they're focusing on their money, and that's why they're having a hard time giving you this offer. Because, see, in the past they were being sneaky. The way this came out, they're trying to make a change, but they were being sneaky towards you. Back and forth with the Ten of Swords. See, they hurt you. They stabbed you in the back, and they want to make it right. But see, this person was a player, or they were just inconsistent. But see, look, this is going to take some time, Capricorn. Even though I'm saying they're going to come to work, this is going to take some time. They move slow. I mean, like snail slow, okay? See, they're not taking a leap. This person is not going to take a leap just yet, okay? So they will have the confidence to eventually come towards you, but see, they're back and forth with the Seven of Wands. That lets me know they're trying to clear away certain obstacles, and they're trying not to be in their head about it, but they are. See, they're manifesting you, but they're doing it while they're isolating themselves. Because, see, they want this new beginning with you. You could be dealing with a Virgo. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, but they're losing hope. They're losing hope that they're going to be able to have a new beginning with you because they have to get themselves out of a situation. They need to clean up their act and then come towards you correct. So let's see. Spirit, what messages does this person have for my Capricorns? 3. Look at that. I bury myself in work to forget about you. Mm-hmm. It's time for me to heal now. What did I just tell y'all? I told you it's time for me to heal. I told you it's going to take some time. They're not going to move forward just yet. I am afraid to contact you. Okay, I told y'all this. You came closer than anyone. I want you. I am becoming a better person, and I wish things could be different, but I hid behind material things, and I hope that you can forgive me one day. Mm-hmm. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now, y'all, it's going to take some time. Like, I don't really feel like this month they're going to make a move because of the hesitation that I saw with them wanting to talk to you. You know, wanting to be truthful and open up. Okay, guys, bottom of the deck, you have the Four of Wands. Why did I say Four of Wands reverse? Okay, so, yeah, maybe you guys are saying you feel like you don't have a happy home, but this is the Four of Swords reverse. So, either which way, it's like you're coming out of worrying about this connection. Yep, because you're saying, you know what, I have to make a change. And it's like, maybe you guys are just focusing on your finances right now. The thing is, I'm still seeing that you really do care about this person. You love this person, but you understand there's somebody else holding on to them for money. Yeah. And it's like, there is communication that will be coming in. I told you, this person will eventually reach out to you because they want a new beginning. I'm seeing that you would like for things to improve with them, but you want justice. It's like you want the truth. You want the truth, and I feel like you're getting your justice because of what this person did. Yeah, see, they broke your heart because of this third-party situation. Okay. I told you guys, there's communication coming in. You will hear from this person. Yeah, but you're kind of like, you know what? You're saying, I don't want a new beginning with them. Right now, you guys are just focused on yourself. You're just focused on getting your stuff, you know, in order and situated. Yeah, you guys are just being positive about this new direction that I feel like you're moving in when it comes to your life. Because, see, this person, they don't open up. They don't talk. They don't say anything. They don't express how they're feeling. And you don't have time to be playing with a grown man or grown woman that can't effectively communicate. You're tired, see? Because you're realizing they're not going to bring stability in unless they make a change. See? I'm seeing 2 4s here. It's like this offer that they're giving you is not good enough. It's not good enough because they're in some type of family living situation. They're in some type of situation. You're like, no, I don't want it. So you guys are making a decision. Look at that. I told you, you're focusing on yourself. You're healing from, if you're not, I feel like you guys have started the healing process, but Spirit is saying keep going. Keep moving forward. Keep healing. Keep focusing on you. Because, see, you have a future coming in. If you guys are worried that you're not going to have kids or you're not going to have a family, it is going to happen. But some of you guys are definitely healing from this person backstabbing you because of what they did in the past. And you're saying, you know what, I don't want to move forward with this individual because I don't have the strength to continue dealing with them. Yeah, see, you're tired of them running in and out of your life. They're going to have to come correct. And when they come correct, they're going to have to give you the whole truth and nothing but the truth, okay? All right, Capricorns, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates. And all right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Capricorn.